2025, March. Since then, the world was divided into two sides. The one who supports the emerging new power, and the one who hates it. The complexity was destroyed, and the world started to have a crucial simpleness with the tension of warfare. Yes, I will answer your question in order, but first, please allow me to speak. I was helpless. The situation got bigger than I expected, and I just couldn't do anything about it. Lumix S1RII Mark II. That was one of the biggest projects I've ever joined. But that made me feel helpless about whole stuffs. Oh, hello, John. No, of course not. Yeah, the perfect time. Wow. That's amazing, man. Yeah, definitely I can help you about that. Okay, hold on. Let me take notes. Okay, so the new hotel you were talking about before, right? When you're gonna need the video? Yes, I know, not much of time, but it's fine. We're doing the best we can. I run my production called K3J Miller. That is one of huge reasons why I wasn't able to make a video about S1RII. I was going to make something require everything I have for that video. But when it was launched, the new and big project aroused on my production. I had to choose if I do both by splitting my energy and passion, or do one by one with my full commitment. I just didn't want to rush into it by disrespecting my own sense of feeling and commitment to the art crafting, although somehow the pressure and responsibility were on my shoulder. But sometimes I have to despise the trend, marketing, and numbers so I can create what means a lot to me by my own perspective and sense of feeling without being forced by anything. S1RII. It's something that I have to use everything I have, and I wanted to see how much I can do about it. But it's just I couldn't. Well, I could make it if it's a simple and easy review video, but I didn't. Even though I was occupied by another project, I had a time, but I didn't. I definitely wanted to do more than that. And I didn't want to do same thing as others. So I decided not to start it until I can be ready for it. To tell you the truth, I was frustrated. S1RII content were all over the social media. People were excited about them, and creators were getting views and likes. People's reaction to S1RII was more than I expected, and I hated myself not being part of it. I was annoyed, and shut myself out of this all the drama, and pretended that I even didn't care about it. But I looked around. All the stereotypes, misleadings, biased hates and loves, it all started to look absurd. And I felt I am the only person who can fix this. So I chose to undone everything. I am done with being annoyed by all the drama of S1RII. I will make it. I will announce my statement soon, but still, it can be now. It might take a little more time, but I will take back the way this world was used to be. And I promise that I will tell you and show you everything I know and I have. Thank you for your time.